Your favorite coach is back, Coach Mike. I hope everyone is having a great Monday. My Monday's going so-so, but it's a great day to be above ground as always. A little weight update. 206 still. I'm weighing a little heavier, but that's going to be no problem with my diet. I'll cut back down to 200 probably by end of the week. Maybe next week I'm thinking because I think I'm going out this weekend, so excess calories. Nothing I can do about that. Did some shoulders today, we did some cardio, it's a great day, and I'm gonna just go get right in the video. So today's video I wanna talk about things that threw me off my diet when I was dieting like extremely hard. So it's just like minimal cheat meals, probably like 1 or 2 cheat meals a week. Back when I was 230, between like 210. So now my diet's a little more lax. So I can eat cheat meals and go out and enjoy life a little bit more since I'm back in shape. So the first thing that threw me off my diet was friends and family. So my family, when I was living at home, we used to get takeout a lot. And my mom would be like, hey, you guys want takeout? Get pizza, wings. And when I was on my diet, I'd have to look at that on the stove and be like, man, one pizza slice, a couple chicken wings won't hurt. And with friends, it was like, hey, we're going out this weekend or we're going to a bar during the week. And that includes like drinks, bar food, which is high calories. So I had to kind of figure out a solution to both of these because when I was like strictly dieting, that's like literally all I wanted to do was lose the weight because I was feeling so good about myself and I didn't want to break my diet. So with the family thing, I had to build up the discipline to start saying, no, I don't want any takeout tonight, or no, I'm not eating that stuff. I had to physically tell myself, I can't eat that, I'm not eating that. And that kind of helped me through it. It's basically all discipline with that situation because the food's right in front of you. And the food's gonna be in the fridge as leftovers. And you have to force your mind to say, can't eat that. I'm on a diet right now, I got goals I gotta achieve. That's just going to set me back a little bit. Yeah, and my family wanted to go out on like dinner on like a Friday. We usually get family dinner on Fridays. So to counter that, I usually at the restaurant, I'll get an omelet because an omelet has a ton of fat, a ton of protein. Then there's home fries for carbs on the side and bread, which I know isn't great, but the bread also had butter on it, so extra fat. But that's like one of my cheat meals during the week is dinner on Friday. That's a very health. I'd say it's healthy for me because I use all the energy in the gym. So I'd eat the dinner and then like 1 or 2 hours later, I'd be in the gym using all that food as fuel for my workout. So it wasn't that bad because I worked out after. And eating omelets and toast and home fries, it doesn't really bog me down. If I had like 10 chicken wings and 3 slices of pizza, yeah, I'd be like laying on the couch for 2 hours. But omelet, it just feels good in my system. I feel good to work out after I eat one of those. So if you're gonna eat like when you go out to eat, try to eat like something like a wrap. Wraps are really good. Don't get like chicken salad or something that's got a ton of mayo. But get like a turkey wrap or a turkey bacon wrap, a BLT club. Salads are good, but if you're going out to eat, who really wants to eat a salad? Eat something a little more fun if you're dieting all week. Use that fuel and don't make it a habit of eating that stuff. And with friends, so they're inviting me out. I literally just had to discipline myself to limit the amount of times I went out. They'll be going out and I would be like, yeah, I can't go out on like a Friday night because if I go out, I know I'm gonna have a couple drinks, eat a ton of food, probably stay out till 2, 3 a.m., come home, and all day I'll be laying in bed, like hungover, not wanting to do anything. And I kind of just had to discipline myself, like, hey, we can't do that no more. When you get down to your weight that you want to be at, you can start going out again. Because at that point, I can put on a little bit of weight, and then I limit myself and burn all that weight back down. Because I don't want to get above 210 ever again in my life, unless I'm building muscle. So with the friend situation, you literally just have to discipline yourself to like, maybe you could set 1 day a week for cheat meals, or if you go out, try to get low calorie drinks. So that'd be like a vodka water. My go-to when I go out is either a Diet Coke and rum, Bacardi, obviously, and or I'd get like deep Eddy lemonade and water with lemon in it. Those are super low calorie drinks. Only have like one or two. If you want to go crazy, you can have a ton, but they're really not like a Coke and a Jack and Coke, which is like ton of sugar, all those carbs from the Coke. Try to get diet if you can, and that'll like help alleviate the amount of calories you're intaking on a night out. But yeah, try to limit those interactions. And when you hit your weight goal, man, you can start, going out a few more days of the week and start living life again. That's what I'm doing now. But with that, it's like I want to be really lean, but if I want to have a great social life, I have to like go out and everything. So I'm trying to find a balance of both of them. So the next thing that threw me off my diet, I used to go remote work for like the whole pandemic from May 21 until, actually, I think I went back to work. Yeah, I was going to work. But going into the office, I don't have like my kitchen right there with everything, all my diet food, all my vitamins and everything. So when I had to go in the office, I had to meal prep, because if I went in the office and I didn't eat 4 times a day in the office, I'd have no energy for the gym after work. Or if I just had like food from the vending machine, you know how bad that stuff is? If anything's in like plastic wrapper and it still looks good and it could be in the vending machine for months, it's probably not good for you, to just letting you know. So I had to meal prep the night before. So the night before, I'd make a bunch of chicken, a bunch of rice. I definitely know I wasn't going to weigh out my food in the morning, so I did the night before, because in the morning I just like put on my clothes and go to work, and I don't really waste a lot of time. So I meal prepped that, weighed it all, put it in Tupperware. I ate 4 meals, so I had to have 4 meals of 4 ounces of chicken, 3 ounces of rice, and then I usually toss an avocado in for a good fat source. And recently I started to include my vitamins when I go to work. So some vitamins I take is a multivitamin, a vitamin D pill, iron pill. So yeah, I started packing the vitamins. I eat those at work. And when I get home, I'm ready to roll to the gym, because my meals are all timed out. Every 2.5 hours I'll eat at work. So I eat at like 7, 9:30, 12, and then like 2:30, and then I go to the gym at 4:45. So it's like a perfect schedule. But it does suck having to do Tupperware dishes. Every time I'm like doing the dishes, water splashes up on me. I'm like, it always happens. But yeah, I'm lucky. I only have to go in the office 1 day a week. If you go in 4 or 5 days a week, you gotta have a lot of discipline to meal prep every day. But if you want to lose the weight and feel good about yourself and start living a better lifestyle, just sacrifice you have to do. If you work outside construction and everything, that's going to be even more tougher. So in that situation, I'd probably recommend just eating 3 meals a day, because you only get, I think it's like a break in the morning, you get like a coffee break at 9, if that, and then you get a lunch. So you probably want to eat before work, lunch, then after work, and dinner. And you could probably do like a heavy meal for breakfast, heavy meal and lunch, a light meal before the gym, and then dinner would be another big meal. And honestly, that could probably work out. I just like eating pretty frequently because I got used to it. So that's how you alleviate that little challenge. And the last one we have is going on vacation. So going on vacation, we're going to be honest here, you're going to break your diet. Honestly, you're on vacation, so live it up. So when I go on vacation, like I go to North Carolina a lot because I really like that state and my friends live down there. So every time I go there, my buddy's got a gym in his garage, like literally couple houses away from my other friend. So we literally wake up and we'll be like, hey, you want to work out? I'll be like, yeah, let me get like 2 or 3 meals of me, and then we'll head down the street, go down the street, work out, eat some more, and then booze and party all night, I guess. And we're just like hanging out by the grill or something like that. And every time I go down to North Carolina, I just stay at my friend's house, so I have the ability to cook my own meals. But most of the time, I'll buy chicken and rice, and those are like filler meals when I'm like just laying around, we're just hanging out. I'll be like, yeah, let me eat some chicken and rice. We usually go out and I'll get whatever I want because I'm on vacation. And when I went to South Carolina, I didn't have that privilege of cooking in my condo because I didn't want to do dishes. So I kind of just went crazy. But also during that trip, I maintained my health. So I did some fitness. I ran on the beach. I went to the gym that was down the street. I walked around a ton. So I just walk around because I knew I was eating like Chick-fil-A, fast food. What else did I eat? I went to a couple of local bars, tried out some local food. Excellent stuff. I really like the food down there. Surprised, but yeah, vacations. You're on vacation, have a good time. If you're on a diet, it's okay. You can break a diet as long as the vacation's not like 2 months long. If it's like a week or a few days, go out to a restaurant, enjoy yourself. Life's too short not to enjoy yourself on vacation. Every time I go on vacation, I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna gain some weight, but I'm gonna be kind of active, doing some walks, weightlifting, eating some good meals, trying to at least get all my protein intake, which is like 240, 250 grams a day. And carbs and fats, I don't really worry about on vacation. And I kind of drink a lot on vacation too because I'm hanging out with my friends and we're trying to have a good time. And we usually end up going out. So, a ton of extra calories. But I know when I get back from vacation, it's straight. All right, we got back from the airport, get my bag, come home. What we got for meals, you know? If we got a meal prep, we'll cook some rice, and I'm in the gym the next day. Like, we're not playing around no more. I'm trying to get in the tip-top shape to look great and to maintain great health for the future because your health is very important, I figured out. Figured out that pretty much in the last year. It feels good to be healthy because my brain feels a lot better. I can think a lot clearer. My cognitive mood is a lot better. I'm very positive now. I actually like thinking about the future and the things I can accomplish now. And I literally have all these goals that I want to achieve, and it just feels great. So a little piece of motivation at the end of the video. So I hope you guys get a little bit of information from this video about things that can break your diet. You pretty much just have to have the dedication and the willpower to say, we can have a few cheat meals here, it might throw me off, but we're right back at it. Like, we're not playing around. We don't play around on this channel. We get shit done on this channel. So if you're watching, go ahead, hit that subscribe, leave a comment. You know, if you're not feeling yourself lately, leave a comment. I might hype you up. Have a like. And yeah, it's Monday. You got 4 more days in the work week. And yeah, that'll be it. Got the whole week ahead of you. Do something good. Get healthy. Hit the gym. Go talk to that girl. Who knows? But you never know. I'm out. Later.